Mabuhay mahal ta ng mga kasamang guro. Ano ba ang dapat nating tandaan sa DepEd Order number 24, Series of 2025 or the Guidelines on the ECP for Teachers and School Heads in the Department of Education? Promotion to higher positions shall be non-hierarchical, but the following conditions must be met. Number 1, the career stage-based advancement, and number 2, the 3 salary grade limitation. Ang una, ang bawat grupo na nais magpariklas ay hindi kailangang tumalon kaagad sa mas mataas na career stage. Tatandaan po natin, mayroon lamang po tayong 4 na career stages. We have the beginning towards profession, T1 to T3, the profession, T4 to T7, highly proficient, MT1 to 2, and distinguished MT3 to MT5. Kung Teacher 1 ka, the next stage po na pwede mong puntahan ay ang proficient up to Teacher 4. Kung Teacher 3 ka naman, up to Teacher 6 ang pwede mong applyan. The 3 salary grade limitation, hindi po pwedeng lumampas ng 3 salary grade ang promotion through reclass. Tandaan po natin yan. Good luck sa inyong pag-a-apply, mga kasamang guro.